say goodbye to backbreaking labor. This technology is changing farming forever. Stay till the end, because machine number 10 will blow your mind. In Poland, cabbage seedlings are being transplanted with precision using a transplanter from Czechia and Magli, Italy. This specialized machine is designed for heavy-duty seedling transplantation, handling various vegetables, including cabbage. It operates by picking up seedlings from a tray and carefully placing them into the soil, ensuring proper coverage for healthy growth. With an impressive capacity of up to 5,500 seedlings per hour, this transplanter significantly boosts efficiency in large-scale farming. The Agrobot E-Series represents a groundbreaking advancement in robotic strawberry harvesting. Engineered for autonomous operation in farm rows, these cutting-edge machines utilize advanced computer vision technology to precisely identify and gently pick ripe strawberries without harming the fruit or plant. This innovation streamlines the traditionally labor-intensive harvesting process, helping farmers save time and significantly reduce labor costs, while ensuring efficiency and precision in the field. The Bauer Aqua Spin is an advanced irrigation system designed to efficiently water large agricultural fields. The system utilizes sprinklers, or rain guns that are attached to a rotating arm, mounted on a tower. This design allows for even distribution of water over extensive areas, ensuring that crops receive a consistent and adequate amount of moisture. The Mini-Veg Carrot Harvester by Unifico is a compact and highly efficient solution for harvesting carrots, perfect for small-scale farms and tight spaces. The machine begins by using a cutting head to remove the foliage, before a set of picking belts gently lifts the carrots from the soil. They are then transported to a series of cleaning rollers that effectively remove excess dirt and debris, ensuring the carrots are clean and ready for storage or further processing. The new Holland blueberry harvesting machine is a specialized piece of equipment designed for commercial blueberry harvesting. It operates by driving over the blueberry plants, using a set of vibrating rods to shake the berries off the bushes. The harvested berries then fall onto a conveyor belt or collection system. When you think of Porsche North America, luxury cars might come to mind, but the brand is also revolutionizing the agricultural industry. As a leader in cutting-edge farming technology, Porsche delivers a powerful lineup of high-performance equipment, including planters, seed drills, cultivators, tillage tools, and sprayers. Designed for maximum efficiency and productivity. In Valencia, Spain, tractors are used to efficiently harvest oranges by shaking the trees, causing ripe oranges to fall onto a stretched fabric beneath. These oranges are then collected into a special container for further processing. Valencia is world famous for its fertile soil and high-quality oranges, which are a major part of the region's agricultural identity. With over 10,000 orange trees spread throughout the city, the orange harvest remains a key tradition of Valencia. Big bud tractors are powerful and highly capable machines designed to handle a wide range of agricultural tasks, including plowing, seeding, harvesting, hauling, tilling, and landscaping. Known for their versatility, these tractors excel in both farm and ranch operations. Built for efficiency, durability, and reliability. One of the most significant advancements in slurry spreading technology is the development of umbilical spreading systems. These innovative systems use a network of hoses to transport slurry directly from storage tanks to the application site, reducing reliance on heavy machinery and minimizing soil compaction. A computer-controlled system ensures precise application rates. The Stemlex equipment leverages advanced technology to disinfect and sort broccoli stems by weight with precision. Engineered for high-volume processing, this system significantly reduces labor costs while enhancing efficiency for producers. By eliminating harmful bacteria and pathogens, it ensures the quality and safety of the broccoli. Additionally, its weight classification feature allows producers to package and sell broccoli in predetermined weight ranges, meeting the exact needs of their customers. The Chrome Pellet Mill Primos 5000 is a cutting-edge machine designed to transform various agricultural materials into high-quality feed pellets. Equipped with a powerful hammer mill, it efficiently crushes and grinds a wide range of ingredients, including corn, wheat, barley, and soybeans. The finely processed material is then compressed into dense, nutrient-rich pellets using an advanced pellet mill. The John Deere 9570 and Great Plains Turbo Max provide farmers with a powerful and efficient solution for preparing their land for planting. These machines combine advanced technologies and rugged construction, allowing them to tackle even the toughest agricultural tasks with ease. This makes them essential tools for modern farming operations. Pea Butter Jelly and CSRL, an Italian agricultural machinery manufacturer, specializes in advanced tomato harvesters. Recently, the company showcased its high-performance tomato harvester in Italy. Engineered for efficiency, reliability, and ease of use, the harvester features a self-propelled chassis capable of operating in various soil conditions. Its high-capacity collection system can process up to 1,500 kilograms of tomatoes per hour, making it an essential tool for modern agriculture. The Fendt Solver is an advanced robotic sowing control system designed for precision and efficiency in modern farming. At the core of this technology is the Zavra system, which ensures accurate planning, control, and documentation of corn sowing. By integrating robotics, cloud-based technology, satellite navigation, and a centralized data management system, farmers gain real-time access to critical information. The German company Nexat has launched a universal tractor that will combine the capabilities of all major agricultural machines. This innovative tractor will be powered by a hybrid engine, capable of running on both diesel and electric power, offering an environmentally friendly option. The tractor will also feature a spacious cabin with ergonomic controls and comfortable seating. The multi-row Eco Weeder utilizes a series of rotating brushes to effectively clear weeds from the soil surface. Designed for versatility, it can be adjusted to fit different crop row spacings, making it an invaluable tool for weed control across various agricultural environments. Additionally, its adaptable design allows it to perform efficiently in both dry and wet soil conditions. Thanks to modern technology, applying liquid fertilizers has become more efficient and precise. By integrating disc tillage equipment with liquid fertilizer application systems, farmers can deliver essential nutrients directly to the soil at the perfect time and in the right amounts. This innovation enhances crop growth, maximizes yields. The Agriplanter automatic transplanter is a state-of-the-art agricultural machine designed to dramatically boost planting efficiency for farmers. Capable of planting up to 3 rows at once, it offers a flexible spacing range of 15 to 150 centimeters between plants. Its versatility makes it ideal for transplanting a wide variety of crops, including vegetables, herbs, flowers, and tobacco, making it an invaluable tool for modern farming operations. John Deere has introduced a cutting-edge, all-electric autonomous agricultural machine hailed as the tractor of the future. As electrification becomes increasingly vital for agricultural equipment manufacturers, this innovation represents a major step forward. A key advantage of this technology is its ability to generate and utilize its own electricity, giving farmers greater independence from rising fuel costs while promoting sustainability in modern farming. Bale forks are a must-have tool for any farming operation, making the transportation of large hay bales quick and effortless. Designed with durable prongs that attach to tractors or loaders, they allow farmers to efficiently lift, move, and stack bales with ease. One standout model is the E-Series from Grape Machine, known for its versatility and reliability. These bale forks are an excellent solution for handling hay, straw, or silage. The Commander 1 is a high-performance cabbage harvester built for large-scale farming operations. Manufactured by the Dutch company Grimm. It is known for its efficiency and reliability. Capable of harvesting up to 60 tons of cabbage per hour. This powerhouse machine can be adjusted to handle different cabbage varieties, including red, white, and Savoy, making it an essential tool for commercial cabbage farming. The Challenger MT765C is a powerful and versatile crawler tractor manufactured by Agco Corporation, one of the world's leading agricultural equipment producers. A standout feature of this tractor is its advanced track system, designed for superior traction and flotation across a variety of soil types. This heavy-duty track system enables the MT765C to perform effectively in challenging field conditions, making it a reliable and efficient choice for demanding farming tasks. Tamra, a leading innovator in food sorting and grading solutions, has introduced an advanced integrated blueberry solution featuring a high-efficiency tray tipper. Designed for optimal blueberry handling, this cutting-edge system can process multiple trays at once. Tamra's tray tipper ensures seamless integration into existing processing lines, delivering precision and efficiency. The MAG2 is a state-of-the-art, self-propelled carrot harvester designed for efficiency and precision. Equipped with a series of specialized blades, it gently lifts and separates carrots from the soil, minimizing damage during harvest. The freshly unearthed carrots travel along a conveyor belt, where any remaining dirt or debris is carefully removed. With its advanced design, the MAG2 ensures high-quality yields while significantly reducing manual labor. The Fendt Ideal 9T is a state-of-the-art combine harvester that has gained popularity among farmers for its advanced technology, high performance, and ease of use. Manufactured by Agco Corporation, the Fendt Ideal 9T is built to handle large fields in challenging harvest conditions, making it an essential tool for any farming operation. One of its standout features is its unique hybrid design, which optimizes efficiency and productivity. The potato washing and grading process involves specialized automated equipment to ensure cleanliness and quality control before packaging or further processing. Potato washers efficiently remove dirt and debris, preparing them for the next stage. Modern machines for grape harvesting are designed to optimize efficiency, reduce labor costs, and improve grape quality. Grape harvester can either be self-propelled or tractor-mounted. These machines feature shaking mechanisms that gently remove the grapes from the vines, while conveyor belts sort and clean them. Once processed, the grapes are deposited into bins, ready for further handling or transport. Today, broccoli harvesting can be fully automated thanks to advanced robotics. Equipped with cameras and sensors, these high-tech machines accurately detect the maturity and location of each broccoli head. This cutting-edge technology boosts efficiency, lowers labor costs, and ensures that broccoli is harvested at the perfect time for peak flavor and nutritional value. Big Bud is the largest tractor in the world, designed to tackle the biggest farming tasks, such as plowing vast fields of wheat, corn, or soybeans. Its immense size and power enable it to cover large areas quickly, saving farmers valuable time and resources. In addition to its powerful engine, Big Bud is equipped with oversized tires that allow it to navigate rough terrain while minimizing soil compaction, ensuring minimal damage to crops. The Antonio Carraro TTR 4400 HST is a highly reliable and versatile compact tractor, perfect for a wide range of applications. With its powerful performance, precise control, and exceptional comfort, it proves to be an invaluable tool for farmers, contractors, landscapers, and other professionals. Designed with both function and aesthetics in mind, it's an excellent choice for any agricultural or landscaping task. The Unifico V2 vegetable washing line is a highly efficient and versatile system designed for the thorough cleaning and preparation of various vegetables. It features a powerful washing section equipped with high-pressure nozzles and rotating brushes to effectively remove dirt, debris, and contaminants. After washing, the advanced drying section utilizes centrifugal force to remove excess moisture, ensuring the vegetables are clean, dry, and ready for further processing.
Did you enjoy this video? Don't forget to subscribe now so you won't miss out on more awesome content. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts, feedback, or just say hi. Hit like and share if you enjoyed it. Thank you for your amazing support.